Hello, and this is a guide on how to use Swagbucks. Now, Swagbucks is an online rewards program where you earn Swagbucks redeemable as cash or gift cards for doing their typical online activities through their portal. You can watch videos, search the web, shop, answer surveys, discover new content, play games, and many more activities. Now, just a quick thing, I started using Swagbucks about 3 years ago, and I have made just over £1,000. And just to prove that, if you go under my account and then into gift cards, if you see here, I've redeemed over 208 gift cards. And just look at order status, just a bit more proof. If you see here, mostly Amazon vouchers, mostly £10, some PayPal vouchers, but it's I always just go for Amazon vouchers myself. If you go all the way down here. Yeah. Now, when you sign up to Swagbucks, I guarantee you earn a few simple points by filling in a few questions about yourself, and you can earn 50 points from just installing the Swag button, which is here. And to install it, you just click on this link down here. Okay. Now, on the left here is what's known as to-do list. And if you tick off 6 out of 8, then you will receive a couple of bonus points. But if you're able to complete the entire list, you'll receive even more bonus points. So let's start from the top. You can earn a simple point just by doing the daily poll. So if I show you, if you click here, and they always ask you a question, it's like, do you go to see your doctor for regular checkups? I don't, to be honest, so I'll just click on here. I used to, but not anymore. That's it. You just get 1 point, and you will get a daily poll every single day. So that's 7 points you can earn a week. Now the next one is daily crave. Now if you tick here, it doesn't actually work. It's not worked in months. But if you click on one of these under explore content and earn, it will tick it off. It will just play a little series of videos and just a few ticks. They don't take long to do, and you earn a couple of easy points. The next one is daily search. So Swagbucks has its own search engine, and when you do about 5 to 10 searches, you'll get this little capture box where you type in 3 letters, and you click OK, and you get this. You get basically points for doing searches. And I think you can do this about maybe 2-3 times a day. Now the next one is watch. Now you can do this more than one way. If you click here, watch videos, you can tick this off by watching any of these videos, but personally I mostly do them for the apps. So if you look here, mobile apps, you can download these apps, watch videos and earn points a day. Unfortunately they've changed this now. You used to be able to earn 10 points a day, but now you can only earn 4, with the exception of this one here. You can still earn 10. Now the next one is daily discover. So if you click on here, there's 2 easy ways of doing this. You can go on offer tour, so that's right here, and it has a few easy one-click links. So you just click on the link and you just do like an easy search for holiday, and that's it. The other one is this AdSense media, which you can play any videos. Now the next one is attempt a gold survey, which is simply trying a survey, but if you don't qualify it, they will screen you out and they will give you a point for your trouble. And the next one is deal of the day. You just click on this link and they will usually just show you an offer, and you just basically press continue. You don't need to do anything, you just have a look and then you just exit out. Just see if I refresh this, if it's actually ticked it off. Yeah, there it goes. Now the last one here, complete a gold survey. So if you go to under answer, and if you manage to successfully complete a survey, that will also tick off the list. Also, under here you've got Peanuts Lab surveys. If you do any of these surveys, that will also tick off the list as well. Another easy way to earn 10 points a day is to play one of their games. Now you've got 3 games here. I always just go for Swag 1. Now there's a little tip on how to do it. Let me just, if I just wait for this to, there we go. We'll start playing this annoying music, which I always just mute. So you've got a new game. You don't actually have to play this game, you just simply die. And then it will say, no SB this time, keep trying. Now, the tip is, you wait about 15 to 30 seconds before trying again, because if you try again too quickly, then you're not going to earn any points at all. So we'll give this about, say, 10 more seconds, and then try again. You see, there you go, you've earned 2 more points. Now if you play again in about 30 seconds, it will say you haven't earned any, try again. Then you wait another, say, 10-15 seconds, you play again, and then you earn another 2 points, and you earn complete 10 points a day. Now if you see here on the to-do list, I've done 6 out of 8, which has earned me a couple of extra points. Now, I do apologise, this video wasn't very good, I did it in a bit of a rush, and if you have any questions regarding Swagbucks, please ask me in the comments section and I will try and help you the best way I can. If you are interested in using Swagbucks, please use the link in the description, and thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe.